Hello everyone, this is Professor Sneha More. Welcome to the online lecture of Dr. D.Y. Patil Center for Management and Research. Today we are going to learn about Strategic Human Resource Management subject. This is the syllabus of Human Resource or Strategic Human Resource Management subject. The course code is 304. It is third semester subject. There are 5 units in this subject. First one is Introduction to Strategic Human Resource Management. Second is Components of SHRM. Third one is HR Planning as a Strategy. Fourth one is Specific HR Strategies. And fifth one is Global Dimensional to HR Strategy. Now, today we are going to learn first unit, that is Introduction to Strategic Human Resource Management. Now, what is meant by management? Management means it is the art of getting things done through and with people in formally organized group. The 5 basic functions of management are: first is planning, second is organizing, third is staffing, fourth is leading, and fifth one is controlling. Planning, we all know about the planning. Planning means it is a process that includes defining goals, establishing strategy, and developing plans to coordinate activities. And the second one is organizing. Organizing means to determine what tasks are to be done, who is to do them, how the tasks are to be grouped, who reports to whom, and where decisions are to be made. That is organizing. And then staffing. Staffing means recruiting and selecting employees for position within the company. And leading. Leading means to encourage and to coordinate individuals and groups so that they work towards organization goals. And controlling means to evaluate how well the organization is achieving goals and take action to maintain, improve, and correct performance. That is the management of functions. Now, we are going to study first what is meant by strategy. The word strategic literally means something done as a part of a plan to achieve a particular purpose or to gain an advantage. Strategic management may be conceived as the process of identifying and formulating strategy goals, selecting strategy to achieve the goals, executing the strategic plan, and evaluating its effectiveness. According to Armstrong, strategic human resource management is an approach to making decisions on the intention and plans of the organizations concerning the employment, relationship, and the organization recruitment, training, development, performance management, and the organization strategies, policies, and practices. Then, what are the objectives of SHRM? SHRM is Strategic Human Resource Management. The first objective is to assist in securing the goals set by the organization, to assist employees or securing the personal goals for individual group, then to make maximum utilization employees potential, to ensure efficient employees within the organization, to enhance job satisfaction, to improve quality of work life, to update the employees regarding managerial policies, to fulfill social responsibility, to maintain discipline among employees, to increase organizational productivity, to focus on quality performance, to develop harmony in the work culture. These are the objectives of SHRM. That is about today. Thank you so much.